climber. So what is the meaning of fortune? It's an destiny. So what happened when Tenzing was 18 years old? He moved to Darjeeling. Why he moved to Darjeeling? He want to make money. As you know, Sherpas is also belong to tribe. So Tenzing had also experience of living in high mountain, and what Tenzing decided that he will do, how he will make money. He is going to carry loads of supplies for the mountaineering expedition. What is meaning of expeditions? Expeditions means journey for the purpose. So Tenzing decided that he will be helping mountaineers by asking as a guide, by carrying their loads of supplies. 3 years later, what he did, he accompanied the survey team. So what is the meaning of porter? A person who carries load. Like example, you can see in the railway station who will be waiting for the loads and who will be carrying the loads in the railway station, bus stop. That is called port. Okay, porter. Working with so many different people, Tenzing learned to speak even 7 languages. Later, he became a Sardar or an organization of porters. He continued to guide expedition to Everest and inspired many mountaineers during their historic climb of Mount Everest in 1953. Amand Hillary lost his footing and nearly died. Tenzing did not panic. He held the rope tightly and planted his axe firmly in the ice. Later, he simply said, "Mountain climbers always help one another." For his courage and heroism and for being one of the first people to scale Mount Everest, Tenzing was awarded the British George Cross and the Star of Nepal. So working with so many people, Tenzing was working with so many people. He has learned 7 languages and later he became what he became? He became Sardar or an organizer for the porter. And he was continued with the same expedition to the Everest. What is the meaning of inspired? Gave somebody the desire and confidence to achieve something. So during their historic climb of Mount Everest in 1953, Hillary lost his footing and nearly died. So Hillary lost his footing, nearly died. Tenzing did not panic. He held the rope tightly and planted his axe firmly in the ice. Later he said, "Mountain climbers always help one another." So mountain climbers always help one another. And next, what is the meaning of scale? It's a climb. For the courage and heroism and for being one of the first people to scale, that is climb, Mount Everest, Tenzing was awarded the British George Cross and the Star of Nepal. So he has got the award in the Nepal. That is the British George Cross and the Star of Nepal. He has got the award. So here's my next question, said Aditya. Do you know which award has been established in Tenzing Norgay's honor by the Government of India? Well, can you tell him the answer? So you know Aditya was conducting a research and research was related to his homework project. So he asked his friend about that who was the first person to climb the mountain. So next question from Aditya was Tenzing Norgay's honored by the Government of India. So who was that? So that is the answer is, so that the award he has got is Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. So he has got that award. So this is what Tenzing Norgay's story and the award he has received from the government. and you'll be getting the worksheet that is with question and answers. So complete it in your homework book. Thank you, students.